Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. No change to the bigger context. Yeah, I made a video already explaining the bigger context yesterday, UK time yesterday. So that did explain the bigger context, the greater context. Here on the small scale, this is still, I'm absolutely not happy with what I see there in this ascending wedge currently. I remain, my view remains that we are going higher as long as we're holding this critical support at 18,820. This is the critical support here for the green wave 4. We are currently moving up here in a 5-wave pattern within wave C. So the bigger picture shows that we have here an A, B, C pattern. It could become something bigger. It could become something more bullish. The ABC would suggest that after this C wave, when it's complete, but it would involve at least one more high, ideally, that we then will come down and continue the bear market in 5 waves. But this is, of course, not anything that we know yet. It all depends on, are we going to break through this critical support? Because it could also be that we're just making a 4 and a 5. I will be able to give you the critical support levels that we need to watch out for when we reach these levels, and we should reach them. And when we reach them, we need to see how do we react to them. And when we break through them, it indicates strongly a continuation of the bear market. If we react to them in a positive way like this, then it would suggest even further upside, possibly even to 27, 28, 29K. Yeah, that would be another trade. So I'm gonna give you all that, but we're not there yet. I can't give you that support level yet because we haven't reached the top here. Only then I can calculate that. So just to give you an example, let's say here, let's say we push to the 23, 24K range. Yeah, let's just say 24K. What I have to do then, I will take the length of that wave, let's say to 24K. It's made up now, of course, because we haven't got a confirmed top. That wave 4 should then sit between 22.2K and 20.2 basically, between 20,200 and 20,180. And in here, this would be the decision moment for the 4th wave. Have to say that the 23.6 retracement is the rarest support level for a wave 4. Most likely the 38.2. And then in a more, let's say, extreme case, the 50% retracement. But below that 20,180 level, it is strongly indicating that we are going to continue the bear market into the region 15K, 14K. So that will be the decision moment. Until then, I would still expect further upside here. But as already explained earlier today, this move is an absolute mess. And I had a few more ideas how this could be constructed. In the end, this is suggesting micro counts, so it's something we can observe. It's not necessarily anything I would be trading in here. For me, a clear trade setup would be if we enter this green support area, which is located between 20,120 and 18,820 pretty much. If we enter that, that would be a nice long trade that I would personally take as well, but not on Bitcoin, but probably Ethereum. Until then, I don't really see a clear setup unless you want to breakout trade, unless you want to trade the range here, micro trading. But I don't know. It's up to you, but I personally don't like to overtrade this stuff. But yeah, this could be, again, a lot of stuff. So we could have this ABC running flat. That is something that would be rather unusual in a wave 4, but it's possible. Because normally in a wave 4, you're already getting towards the end of a trend, right? So a running flat would actually indicate something very bullish, because it means that the price in a C wave can't even complete the regular correction, because you would normally expect a C wave getting below the A wave. If it happens, it would indicate that the price afterwards should really push up strongly. So I'm starting to doubt the idea here of a running flat. This indicates that we could still get, because we just didn't see the following price action, right? That this could still be something like that the C wave is still happening, and we still come here into this area, and that what we are seeing here currently is just a high B wave. Absolutely possible still, yeah, unfortunately. I even had another idea. Now, I don't want to confuse you, but it's for everybody who wants to learn about Elliott Wave as well. The other idea I had, it's sort of, not necessarily high confidence, but I'm showing you ideas here that I have about how this chart could be constructed on the micro level. In the end, as a trader, it's probably best to know that in here we have a possible long trade setup. Until then, it's a bit difficult. There is not much clarity. Getting in this area and reversing would provide clarity at least. What the other idea I had was, let me move that to the side. That let me just think. Let me think. That I would probably have to add. No, we had 1, 2 here. The 3, the 3 would be finished here then with this with this high, I think. Yeah, would say that was the top of the 3. Then we had this small 3 was actually extended, moved up here. The 4 was this one as a triangle. I think we talked about a triangle then, but it actually broke. But in a small scale, it actually works out. We had the wave 5 here, the wave 3 here. So something like that. It would, however, mean that we had some kind of a very, very short wave 5. Also, that doesn't really fit too well together in terms of proportions. It would mean the wave 3 topped here in green, that we are now in a wave 4, and that we have another chance here to put in this ABC. So A wave, B wave, C wave, yeah. So I think this would work out quite well as well. It's just another possibility. And this would allow me to better argue for this B wave here, because this is a clear 3-wave move, A, B, C. And possibly we're heading down now in the C wave. Yeah, because the B wave is a 3-wave move, A, B, C works out nicely. And then maybe here a 1-2 setup of the C wave. When will that be confirmed? I think if we break out of the wedge to the downside. So that's something I like. Let's see, I just leave it on the chart now. And let's see where we are tomorrow when I wake up, because it's midnight here in the UK now. So I'll better head into bed soon. And then let's see where we are tomorrow. Obviously, if we now continue to push up and break out of this wedge to the upside, I think the wave 5 is already running. And then we take it from there, right? And at the moment, I mean, looking at this target-wise, roughly for the wave 5, we're looking here at roughly the 23.5K level, the 61.8 extension. If we finish the wave 4 here, if we finish the wave 4 down here, it will come down a bit. Okay, so maybe tomorrow we have clarity. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.